The 1977 Dodge Charger R/T is a notable model in the lineage of Dodge's Charger series. As part of the third generation of Chargers, it represents a significant period of transition for the model, reflecting both the evolving automotive trends and regulatory changes of the 1970s. Historical context. The 1970s were a transformative decade for American muscle cars. With stricter emissions regulations and fuel efficiency standards coming into play, automakers had to adapt their designs. The 1977 Charger R/T emerged during this transitional phase. The Charger R/T of this era marked a departure from the aggressive styling and high-performance focus of earlier models, like those from the 1960s. The design was more restrained, aligning with the shift towards more practical and economical vehicles. Design and styling. The 1977 Charger R/T featured a more subdued and streamlined design compared to its predecessors. It retained the classic Charger styling elements, but incorporated a more aerodynamic shape. The front grille was less prominent, and the overall body lines were softer. Inside, the Charger R/T focused on comfort and convenience rather than outright performance. The interior featured a more ergonomic design with improved materials and additional creature comforts aimed at making the driving experience more pleasant. Performance and specifications. By the mid-1970s, performance had taken a back seat due to new emissions regulations and fuel efficiency concerns. The 1977 Charger R/T was equipped with a more modest engine compared to earlier models. The typical engine option was a 5.9-liter V8, producing around 150 horsepower. This was a significant reduction from the high-performance engines of the previous decade. The standard transmission was a 3-speed automatic, reflecting the shift towards ease of use and driving comfort over sporty handling. Market position and reception. The 1977 Charger R/T was aimed at buyers looking for a blend of style and practicality. It appealed to those who appreciated the Charger's heritage but were also conscious of fuel economy and emissions. The model received mixed reviews. While it was praised for its comfort and smooth ride, it was criticized by some enthusiasts for its reduced performance compared to earlier models. However, it remains a significant part of Dodge's muscle car history, representing the brand's efforts to adapt to the changing automotive landscape of the 1970s. Restoration and collectability. Restoring a 1977 Charger R/T can be challenging due to the availability of parts and the complexity of modernizing the vehicle while retaining its original charm. Restoration efforts often focus on maintaining the vehicle's unique features, while upgrading performance and safety components where possible. While not as coveted as earlier Chargers, the 1977 R/T still holds appeal for certain collectors and enthusiasts. Its place in the Charger lineage and its role in the transition of muscle cars during the 1970s give it a niche but dedicated following. Legacy and impact. The 1977 Charger R/T illustrates the broader trends in the automotive industry during the 1970s. It highlights the shift from high-performance muscle cars to more practical and economy-focused vehicles. Despite the changes in performance and design, the Charger R/T of this era remains an important chapter in the history of American muscle cars. It serves as a reminder of the challenges faced by automakers during a period of significant change. Conclusion. The 1977 Dodge Charger R/T represents a pivotal moment in the history of American muscle cars. It reflects the broader shifts in automotive design and performance during the 1970s, while maintaining its place in the Charger legacy. For enthusiasts and collectors, it offers a unique glimpse into a transitional period and remains a symbol of Dodge's resilience and adaptability during a challenging time in the automotive industry.